Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Never trust an atom. They make up everything.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
I thought I spotted a leopard once. Turns out they're born like that.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
When someone tells me to stop acting like a flamingo, that's when I put my foot down.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
I once had a cat who swallowed a ball of yarn. She had mittens.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Never trust an atom. They make up everything.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
A sheepdog brought the flock back to the farm and told the shepherd, "Here's your 40 sheep." The farmer said, "But I only have 36. The sheepdog replied, "I know, but I rounded them up."
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
I once had a cat who swallowed a ball of yarn. She had mittens.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
I was cryogenically frozen for a while. Then somebody woke me up early. I really lost my cool.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What do you call an apology written in dots and dashes? Morse code.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
I was cryogenically frozen for a while. Then somebody woke me up early. I really lost my cool.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
I don't often tell Dad jokes, but when I do, he usually laughs.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
This one's for the kids. Where do whales go to hear music? The orchestra.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
How do you make a computer say 5? You'll figure it out. It's programming binary 101.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
How do you make a bandstand? Take away their chairs.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What's big and gray and doesn't matter? Enter elephant.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What do you get when you cross an elephant and a kangaroo? Earthquakes in Australia.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
How does a bird break into a bird feeder? With a crowbar.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What does it cost to hire a spy? I could tell you, but then I'd have to bill you.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What kind of sugar does Lady Gaga put in her coffee? Raw, 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 raw.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Whiteboards are quite remarkable.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Here's one for the kiddos. What do you get when you cross a vampire and snowman? Frostbite?
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What do Alexander the Great, Winnie the Pooh, and Chance the Rapper have in common? Same middle name.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Here's one for the kiddos. I found out why the ocean is so salty. The land never waves back.
Tell me a joke.
Always use a wide lens when taking pictures of horses. They don't like being cropped.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Kid joke alert. Why should you never play poker at the zoo? Too many cheetahs.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Here's one for the kiddos. What did the hat say to the scarf? You hang around here, I'll go on ahead.